Welcome to today's eBizQ BPM in Action webinar, How BPM Can Help the Bottom Line in Challenging Economic Times. It's sponsored by Fujitsu, and I'm Dennis Byron, the moderator for today's program. Ken Volmer, Principal Analyst at Forrester Research, will be presenting the keynote. After Ken, Keith Swenson, Chief Architect at Fujitsu, will follow with a brief presentation. Then we will answer your questions, which, as I said, send them in as we proceed. Ken, take it away.
Thank you, Dennis. Welcome, everyone. It's my pleasure to be here with you today to talk about how BPM can help enterprises with the bottom line in these challenging economic times. We're going to look specifically at two areas of benefits. The first will be in the area of operational efficiency, how BPM is helping enterprises in this area to increase productivity and reduce cycle times. And the other area will be how BPM can help enterprises support higher levels of business innovation, which can enable them to do business in new and more innovative ways. The metadata management repository is critical in the new environment because it supports a different view, if you will, a different palette for a business analyst and the technical people in the IT department. So it enables higher levels of collaboration between those entities. The business analyst sees a process model that makes sense to them and shows the artifacts that they need to see. At the same time, the different palette of the same process for the technical people shows the things that they need to know, and it enables them to work on the processes from their perspective. This is all coordinated in the repository, and so people get the view that they need for their particular task, but it is connected to the work that the other people in the process are doing. So everybody is kept in sync. A change in one side will reflect inappropriate changes in the other side and vice versa. So the metadata management repository is very effective in keeping this coordinated. Now, so here's a survey we did recently. This was from last fall, a Forrester survey, and where we surveyed 2,227 senior business and IT decision makers in December of last year. And the question was, how would you describe your enterprise's position on business process management? And you'll see here that there were considering was 26%, piloting 10%, implemented already 18%, expanding and upgrading 11%, decreasing 1%, removing 0%, and not interested 33%. So if you look at it from the perspective of the top four are all positive inclinations related to BPM.